Welcome to one of my latest tree removal jobs. Here we have a tall pine tree between two houses. The stem is lean, but the crown is broad and can hit the buildings if I fail to aim. I start the cutting with a regular face cut. I like to cut from up to down first. I finish the face cut with a horizontal cut to have a flat surface for my chainsaw so to make my aim easier. Aiming is the most critical part of these backyard tree removal jobs. That is the reason I tend to leave the stump so high. But don't worry, I shave the stump to normal height once the tree is removed safely. I need to adjust the face cut towards the right to avoid the building on the left. I have prepared a rope and tackle for the tree. But don't need it. Here is another tall pine tree to be removed between the houses. This one's crown is even broader, as you can see from the video. The tree is much more back than the previous tree, narrowing the safe sector more. Like this wouldn't be hard enough with just the houses and the narrow gap. The most significant risk is to hit the small roof on the right with a heavy branch. I plan to cut the tree, pull it down with a rope, and tackle. I'll cut the face cut first. This is one of the first cuts of the day, so the chain is nice and sharp. Time to aim. I'll shave the sides to avoid the bark to rotate the falling stem. And I can see the chainsaw's blade much easier when cutting. Looks good. Then the back cut. I love the smell of sawdust in the morning. It smells like victory. If the rope snaps, I'll add one wedge to hold the stem upright. The pine tree is bigger and heavier than the previous one and more capable of dealing much damage to the surrounding buildings. Here we go. Here we go. Timber. The third tree of this job needed to be removed from the lakeside. The tree is on a hill and leaning towards a lake. The safe sector is quite broad, and the frozen lake creates more space for the stem to fall onto. The boat and the debris make the cutting area a bit cramped, but it is nothing that I couldn't handle. I'll make a shallow face, clean the sides, cut the back, and pull the tree down. Let's see how it goes. Time to aim. Here we go. Timber. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Here is a perfect video for you.